Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of spin. Turn or cause to turn or whirl around quickly. For example, the girl spun around in alarm. The second definition of spin. Draw out wool, cotton, or other material, and convert it into threads, either by hand or with machinery. For example, an old lady sat, spinning thread. American pronunciation. Spin. Spin. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Spin. Say. Spin. Spin means turn or whirl round quickly. Spin. Spin. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Tanya spun round, her chair falling with a clatter. Now, repeat after me. Tanya spun round, her chair falling with a clatter. The second practice. They quickly spun around and slashed the tree bark. Now, repeat after me. They quickly spun around and slashed the tree bark.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.